This conference will now be
Good morning, all
recorded.
of you. So we are going to continue the part two of AAA. What is AAA? Automatic account determination. Okay, so we have done all the configuration settings. So today we are going to see the testing scenario. Okay, so what we have done in our earlier class, like valuation class, we have created right separately 4441, 4442, liquid and chemical, right? So that we'll see and whether it will affect the GL account properly or not. Okay, so here it is. So in our first scenario, step one is create material master with above material type, whatever we have taken, and above valuation areas. Hmm. So ZOH. So in our case, we have taken ZROH, right? If I'm not wrong, Akshay, what we have taken, Akshay? Uh, ZROH, right? So let me create material with MM01 and take ZROH because we have configured in I think most probably in ZROH only, right? Yeah, ZROH. Take this, okay? Click enter, and this basic data one purchasing this all, and plant is 3000 triple zero one. Click enter. So here, click enter. So here, anything you can do. Okay, so you can do anything here, and the purchasing group and plant nothing as such. Accounting one, see here. The one which we configured, right, in part one, it will come here. See here, liquid and chemical, right? Akshaya, you were there in the class, right? So liquid and chemical, this is what it is. So this is working. So let's say I'm taking, earlier we used to get 3000, 3001, right? That is the standard one what SAP Germany has given. But we have configured our own valuation class. So how that is there? If anyone is absent, so you just go through my YouTube channel triple A part one. Okay, so you'll understand how you got this. Okay, triple 4441. So let's say I have taken this. Okay, in accounting one, we select new valuation class 4441. Price I am giving variable price and I am giving 90 rupees. Okay, so I have taken this is instead of standard price, I am taking variable price. Okay, so this variable price means I need to give here price 90 rupees. Okay, click enter and save it. So I have created the material. Note down this material number. Anyone? Akshay, you note down this number. Three. How many zero? Yeah, Zaid, you also note down. One, two, three, four, 6 0, right? 10. How many zero? One, two, three, four, five, six. 3 6 times 0, 10. Okay? Note it down. Zaid, you have noted.
Yes, sir.
Now create PO with ME21 and T code. So I'm trying to create the PO. So go to ME21 and Arey yaar, I think we have taken plant. We have configured plant in AAA 2000, right? Let me check fast. What are the configurations we have done and what plant we have taken? That is very important. So I think I have taken plant 2000, right? If I'm not wrong. Yeah, valuation area. I've taken 2000. Hmm. So in that case, what you need to do, whereas I have created this in 3000. So you can just extend, right, Zaid? You can extend the same material to another plant that you know, right, how to extend. So go to MM01 again, give the plant number. What is the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 0, right? Click
Yes,
enter.
yeah, correct.
Yeah, correct. So click enter. Now I'm giving 2000 plant and here 0001. Okay, so here nothing as such valuation class. Here again I'll get liquid and chemical, right? I'm taking liquid and I'm changing here variable price to 90 rupees. Okay, now create PO with ME21 and T code. So what is the transition code for creating the PO? ME21N. Akshaya, because you are new, so SAP runs with all T codes, transaction code to create. But in right now, S4 HANA came, so even either you can use a transaction code or with the tiles browser. You know, you will find the like if you work in a company, you will get the link. You know, to open the Fury app. So there, you know, tiles will be there. Create PO. Just click the button. It will take you to SAP direct create PO. Okay. Manually also you can do it. Doesn't mean that manually has stopped completely. It's not like that. So what is the T code? ME21N. Click enter. So vendor also I'm giving here 2000, right, Zaid? 2000 is UK. And here purchase order also I'm giving 2000. Here also 2000. Yeah. So what is that material number? 3 6 times 010, right? And the PO, how much I have given in my notes? Mm, create PO, okay. Quantity 100 and price 90, quantity 100. Quantity 100, okay. Net price 90, okay. And here, plant, I need to give 2000. Here, store location 0001. Click enter. So that's it. I have created the PO and save it. So note down the PO number. Basically, PO will be 10-digit numeric code. So note down the PO. In real time also it will be 10 digit. It will not be alphanumeric. It will be numeric code. So note down this, right? Akshaya,
Okay, sir.
4500017204. Okay. Now the third step, we need to create the GR, goods receipt, with MIGO T code. Okay. So I'm going to MIGO 204. Okay. So I'm going to MIGO MIGO transaction code, and I'm giving the PO number. Here is 0101. Yeah, what is that PO number? Zaid, Madhu, yeah, Akshaya
204.
204. Why this is not coming? Because we need to remove this. मम्मी को मालूम कल ही खरीदे परसों मिर्च क्लिक एंटर item okay save it so we pass the GR so I think we will not get any error yeah posting only possible in period okay so this is the if you get this error what you will do is Zaid you know this right Akshaya is new, so I am not expecting any answer from Akshaya. But this is usually every month and activity in real time also. This will come, but this is probably taken care by FICO
MMB,
guys. Hey, not MMP here.
it's SE16.
Okay. No, no MMP to check the stock. Why you are confusing? Huh? Go to MMPV.
MMPV, sorry.
Hmm. Company code Q2000. Date Q01.07.2026. Okay, execute. This is incomplete. You are getting, so that means you go back. I think you need to give from June onwards. 01.06. This is also incorrect. So I am changing to 01.05. No, 200104. Let me check. Hey, it is showing from 12 2006, man. From 12 2006. Oh my goodness. How to check that? I have given you the hint, right? Go to MM02, okay, and give this material number, right? You need to go to accounting one view, right? So that you will find where exactly it stopped. So 2000 and 0001, right? Go to accounting one and check. It's locked. Yeah, why locked is coming? Because somewhere it is open. So you need to close this GR, okay? And yeah, so go to accounting one. See, 12 2006. This is what it is, right? Zaid
Uh,
6. Yeah. So in this case, what you will do? But in new version EHP 7, I think some issue is there. Even Rupesh also checked. But here, this is somewhat little bit old version. So go to SE 16N, right?
yeah,
Table name MARV MERV, or else with MMPV again month every month you need to go. It will take a lot of time, right? But directly shortcut I'm doing here. Okay, 2000. Now ampersand SAP underscore edit. You'll get the message. SAP editing function is activated. Execute. Okay. Now see you need to change this. So 2026 and here period is 7, right? July 07. Again give here 2026, right? And last month June 06. Give last year 2025 and last period of last month. Exactly correct. 12. So this is what the setting you need to do. Now if you check again in material, you will get the correct posting period as July. So no need of MMPV right now. Okay. So if you want to check, you can check. Again, you go back. Okay. MM02. Give the material number and plan 2000 0001. Okay. Go to accounting one view. Now it is right. 07 2006. Okay, Zaid. Akshaya.
yes,
Akshay is also there.
No, she
Okay.
left.
Okay. So here, okay, current period, July 2026. Okay. Okay. Right. So now next step, we need to create a GR, right? So go to GR now with the same P1 number, MIGO. We will pass the GR. Okay. What is that? Already it is there. 204, right? Item. Okay. Save it. Save it or check and post. Document is okay. Post. Posting period not open. Okay. This is also another issue. So what you will do, Zaid, you know, right? Posting period not. This is basically in real time taken care by FICO guys. But now we are not depending do or die situation. We need to become FICO also. Them in practicing time. At the time of practicing, we are becoming FICO also. Not that much deep, but at least we should have the basic knowledge, right? So what you will do? Yeah, Zaid already have done. OB 52 है क्या? बोलो. Posting period not open here.
So,
OB 52. Okay. So here
yeah.
from 2000 to this 2000, you need to change, right? So 3 years difference is there already. What I'm doing, whatever it is showing, just I'm changing 3 year, right? Don't go in deep. This is 12 and 13. Let it be 16. Same. Don't change the period. Change the year. Okay. So here keep it backdated 3 years means 26 bole to here 2023 I need to take, right? 23, and here I need to keep 2026, right? And in here 2023, right? And here again 2023. Okay. Control Y, Control C, Control V. Okay. Yeah, so I change here till this 2026. Again I'm changing here 2026. Control Y. Okay, I'll drag Control C. Here again I'll put Control V. Okay. So here I will drag from here Control Y. I take all, Control C. I go here, Control V, right? Control V. Yeah, save it. Shh. Okay. Now post. You got another error. What is this? For object RFBLX number is interval 50 does not exist. You know this, right, Zaid? What you will do? Go to FBN1,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. This also FICO error. FBN1 company code is 2000, right?
Yes.
Intervals. Click this. Take 50.
50.
Year 2026. From number to number, take from drop down. Click enter and save it. Okay. Yeah. Again go here. Post. 3 errors we resolved. Okay. Now. Yeah. Material document posted. Okay. So we have not got this error. If you get the error account determination, not assigned to company code, then go to OMWB, do this, okay. But we are safe. Another error account, this is also not done because already we have done this configuration, right? In If you see my part 1 triple A in YouTube channel, you will understand this, okay. Yeah. Now create GR with reference to PO. So another PO. If you want to create another PO, you can create. You can understand this. But let me show you the stock first with this 86. I will show you the GL account. Okay, how to check the GL account? Go to display 86 material document, the one which we created just now. Doc info, FI documents, accounting document. See, this is inventory raw material. That means 3 lakh we have configured, right? 89 and 96. 3 lakh we have configured. If you see in first YouTube channel, you will understand how you are getting this. Inventory raw material is BSX. BSX debited, WRS created. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, yeah, this was the GL account, and there is no price difference. If you take standard price, then price difference comes into picture. That too, if you take in the PO, the standard price is 100, but you're creating 90 in the PO, then only price difference will be affected. So here, see, we got the yeah, we got this right, and you can also see the valuation class also. If you want to see the valuation class here, okay, valuation class here, what you will do? Let me show you valuation class, right? This is the material number, okay, and the valuation class 4441, right? The one which we have created, configured. List output. Chain layout. If you change the layout, then you can able to see. Okay. For example, what I'm trying to say is valuation class. So see here valuation class where it is. Plant is there. Okay. So you can even select the plant. You will understand which plant. Right, 2000 we have taken plant, right? And valuation class. So company code also coming. So chain layout. Okay, that's not an issue. So you need to do that setting here. Okay, I don't want to waste too much of my time. So you just go here and select the layout and select a valuation class. Okay, so valuation class you will get 4441. Okay, liquid, the one which we have configured. Okay, yeah. If you want to see, otherwise that's not a problem. Only BSS and WRA, that is important. Okay, yeah. So now coming to next part, this is what the yeah, this is what the scenario. Okay, so now another example, create a GR with reference to PO. Okay, so here BSS and WRS already we have seen. Okay, so this is 3 lakh and 1 lakh 91 100. So instead of taking another GR, another PO, I have taken it to the same PO. Okay, we have seen this stock increase in MFB. If valuation grouping code not there, then it is applicable to all the plans. So already valuation grouping code is there. That's why to pick the plant. So here if you check the stock MMB, it will be the stock, the one which you have given 100, right? Yeah. So now go down. Example 2 will do. In example 2, we'll take, let's take standard price, okay? So create material, master with standard price, MM01, and now we'll take the standard price here. So the observation part, that is important. Here, what observation we have seen? Because we have taken variable price. So in this case, what is happening? Inventory raw material debited, GRIR clearing account created, right? Right?
Yes, sir.
If you take in material master standard price, then as I told you, let's say in material you have maintained standard price at 100, but the vendor is saying it is not possible for you to provide in 100. He's providing you in 90 rupees or 80, okay, or sometime one more than 100, let's say 110. If that's the case, more than 100, then it is a loss to you, right? If it is less than 100, it is a profit to you. So there, PRD, transaction price difference will comes into effect. So in this scenario, we are testing that only. Okay, create material master with standard price MM01, and standard price will maintain in accounting one as 100, and will take valuation as 4441. Okay, so now what I'm doing, go back. I'm creating another new material. I'm not using another the one existing one. Okay, so one because existing I have created for variable price. Okay, so taking the same ZROH, click enter for 2000 click enter. Okay, so EAH, so here you can take anything, purchase group, accounting one, take valuation class, liquid. Okay, and I'm taking a standard price. What is the standard price? 100 rupees, right? And save it. Now note on this number, 6 times 0 double 1. Okay, right. Now create the PO, and we are taking in PO 110 price. Okay, Zaid. So I'm going to ME 21N, give a 2000 material. What is that material number? Yeah, this one, right? Okay, quantity I'm taking here. How much? Yeah, tell me how much?
100.
10, 10, 10, and the price is 110. See here, it is already have written piece or kg, kilogram, whatever. 10, and this is 110 rupees. So here 10, net price 110. So what will happen? Tell me in the background. In Material Master, we maintain 100 rupees, but the vendor is saying, this vendor, okay, sorry, UK vendor saying, I can't give, sorry boss, I can't give in 10, 100 rupees because the prices have changed, it has been increased. So I'm providing you in 110. So tell me, is it a profit or loss?
Loss.
How much is the loss? 10 rupees, right? So 10
100
into
rupees.
10, 10 into 10 will be 100, right? You need to
Yeah.
calculate. This is simple calculation. Suppose if it is 90 rupees, now tell me.
Got profit of 100.
It is a gain
Mm.
because in Material Master you maintain standard price at 100, but the vendor is saying, okay, now the price is reduced. I can provide you in 90, don't worry. Be happy. So in this case, you will be having a profit of 10. So 10 into 10. Always you need to multiply by quantity 100. So now in this case, I'm taking 110. Okay. And the plant is 2000. Story location 0001. Click enter and save it. So now PRD comes into picture, price difference. Okay. 4500172005. Now pass the GR as usual. Okay. Step 3. GR with reference to PO MIGO. A01, R01, this all blah 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 blah. Now observe the below transaction for this example too. So this is the observation. Okay. We'll do this. We'll do this. Okay. Going to MIGO. Click enter. Give the GR. What is that? PO number 205. Z 205, right?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. No item, okay. Save it. Now our observation is this transaction key, BSA, WRS, PRD, right? Because it is a loss. How much is the loss? Whatever the amount will be showing here, okay? Now we'll see. This is created, material document posted. Now check the accounting document. Go to A04, okay? 87. Click here. Doc info, FI document, accounting document. See here, loss. 100 rupees is the loss. Understand? This is
Yes, sir.
our observation. Your transaction key BSS means inventory raw material debited. Okay. And valuation class is also there. GL account is 3 lakh. See here it is showing 3 lakh. This is BSX. Okay. And this is WRX 1 lakh 91 100. Okay. The GL account and loss. 100 rupees is the loss. Okay. So in the loss, it is showing separate GL account 2 lakh 31,000. Understand? So you can make it as loss here 100. So this I'm writing. You also put this is missed 100 rupees. Okay? You are getting this here separately. 100 rupees is showing. Zed, you also note on this in my notes. I shared you the notes. So you can just put this in the bracket 100. So if you try another example, see here, triple is all about plug and play, like different scenarios you need to work on it and see whether different GL account are affecting or not. Okay, so enter GR with find out one movement type, whether standard or moving price, does not matter. Okay, so what we'll do, We'll see and we'll come back. And this is what, and we will see the uh, general modifier, that is ZOB. Whenever ZOB, when this will come, when we select the movement type 501 with the MB1CT code. Okay, that is GR without purchase order, right? Into warehouse 501. So if this is the case, then the GL account will be triggered. Account modifier, transaction key. So this settings, if it is there, then it will be easy for you. Account modifier will also be there, but just you people do. See, plant claims, account modifier also, if you want to bring, let me take you to chain layout again. Account modifier. See here, account modifier. You tell me Z, okay? If you see, just tell me, let me know. I'm not saying that. Anyhow, so if you bring that
So
account
suppose
modifier,
we
it
have
will
to
be easy.
select the account in display columns, and then click in the
Hmm?
column set.
What?
You have to select account in display columns on the left side.
This one you're saying already it is there. Whatever left is there account. You're not understanding. This is account.
Oh, okay.
You understand this account. Whatever left is there already it is there. Even you can remove the one which is blank. If you don't need this, you can remove this. Okay. So what I'm saying is, let me check once again. Uh, okay, plant is there. I'm going to chain layout. So whatever you don't need now, segment here, if you see the segment, you can remove this. Okay, so that this will not come. And what is this? Billing document, right? So I don't need this also. Billing document. So like this you can remove billing document. Okay. TTYP is there. Remove this also. Okay. Asset value date. Okay. Yeah. Now I need to, okay, leave it. Terms of payment I don't need. Invoice reference collective amount. Account modifier also I'm not saying. But I'll show you in separately account modifier, okay? Don't worry. So let me try to save this. Overwrite. Okay, so that I removed unnecessary. Yeah. So material is there and this transaction type is there. Okay. Plant. Okay. So you leave it. If we can see separately in OMWM, I'll I'll take you there. Okay. So account modifier also I will show you separately. So now what we'll do in this example, enter GR with 501 movement of whether standard or moving does not matter. Okay. So here what I'm doing is first I'll try to get the quantity without PONGR, okay, with MB1CT code. So go to MB1C, okay, and movement type 501. Plan same. I'm giving same. What is that? Material number 3, 5, 6, 1, 1. Let's say quantity I'm giving here. How much? Um any quantity, okay? Save it. Any quantity I'm taking. So let's say I'm taking 100. Okay. Store location 0001. So you got this error. See, error. Account determination for entry COA GBB 4444 ZOB 4441 not possible. This we need to understand. Take a note of this. So this is what OBYC setting. Okay. Account determination for entry INT GBB. Note on this all Z. Chart of account is also important. Chart of account international and GBB 4444 ZOB 4441. Take all this. Taken?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to OBYC. Okay. Double click GBB. Okay. This is the FICO settings. So the very good thing, as I told you, triple is integration between and FICO. So we should know this all, like why ZOB is coming. Because ZOB is because goods receipt without PO and GR, right? Directly we are bringing with MB1C 501 movement type. So this account modifier will be the ZOB. That is what the funda we need to understand. Okay. Yeah. So now I'm going to OBYC, double click GBB, and what we have taken international, right? Chart of account. Yeah. Now tell me what is that? The error which you got. Tell me. ZOB, right?
Account
बोलो यार पूरा.
determination for
You
entry
just
INT
tell me.
GBB
Ah,
uh, uh, 4444 ZOB.
ZOB. So you need to see here ZOB, where general modification, nothing but account modification. Okay. So ZOB is here. Okay. So in ZOB, you need to search 44 valuation class 4441, right?
No, double four
So
double
I
four.
think in ZOB 4441 is missing. See here. If you see all ZOBs, it is not there, right? So you select this, copy. Okay. Yeah. So this is valuation modification ZOB. Valuation class, you take this 4441, right? You got 4441 only, right?
Yeah, 441.
And what else?
Double four double four.
Double four double four also is there.
No, double four is in GBB and
No, no. In the error, what came? Can you repeat once again?
account determination for entry
Mm.
international GBB double four
Okay,
ZOB double four four one.
double four. You got 4441, na?
Yeah, at the end
So
four
four.
four.
Yeah. So 4441. I'm taking this 4441. Okay. and also click enter, and again copy 4444 also, right? You got two, right?
Yes.
4441 and 4444 also, right?
Yeah.
That is, one is liquid, another is chemical, but we are concentrating on liquid because we have created the material based on liquid, not 4444. You that you need to understand. Okay, if you don't create also, no issue. Okay, but anyhow, I have maintained both. A valuation class 4444 we have not created.
No, it's 4442. The other one. The
Ah,
other
right, right, that's what,
valuation.
that's what. 4442 it is, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, 4442 it is, right? But why you told 4444? In error you got
And
4444.
yes, and I
Huh?
will send you.
Okay, let me check 1 second. You're confusing me. 1 second. I'm trying to create the yeah.
I will send you the screenshot.
Okay. MB1C 501 moment type. Okay, leave it. Quantity 100. Story location. So I'm getting this error. 4444 is valuation modification. 4441. See, 4441 only it is there, but this is 4444 valuation modification. So in this case, what we need to do is, okay, anyhow, if you are 4442 also we have created. Okay, that's not an issue. But here, the valuation modification we have given, excuse me, 4441 and 4442. Okay, if you go to rules, first I'll save it. Okay, so first I will save it. Now I am going here, general modification and violation modification, violation class. Okay, all is there. Double click this, and now in ZOB I maintain the this one, 4441 liquid valuation class, the one which we configured in our first class in AAA. Okay, and I think we need to. Okay, okay. Now we'll see. Okay, now we'll see whether some other error is occurring or not. Okay, this anyhow I configured. I got this. Now again I'm going to MB1C. Click enter with the same 501 moment type. I'm taking the material quantity, let's say 100, storage location 0001. Now see, yeah, so count determination for entry 4444. Yeah, so I got it now. Here, what you do is take it 4444 here, ZOB, validation class 4441, and take here 2,31,000, right? 2,31,000. Another what? 2,41, right? You can change also, let's say, no, 4,20,000, 4,20,000. Okay, I am changing here. 4,20,000, 4,20,000. Okay. So at 4444, this is the configuration which we have done in our first class. If you go there, you will understand. I'm saving this. Okay. And now again with MB1C, I'm bringing the stock. Okay. With MB1C, I'm bringing the stock again. MB1C 501 movement type. Okay. Material, quantity, store location. Click enter. I brought 100 rupees. No, no error. Okay, you got this error, but you know how to do this, right? 49 FBN1, go to FBN1, take here company code 2000, okay, and take here intervals 49. This is all taken care by FICO in real time, but indirectly you are learning some part of FICO. So you are very luckiest person. Save it. Okay, so again go back, click enter, enter other goods. Yeah, document is posted. So now we are seeing the GL account. Okay, GR without purchase order. I'm going to MIGO. Okay, so already find out one moment I will be showing because this material document is posted. Yeah, Z88 is there. Note down this 88. Now I'm going to MIGO. How to check the accounting document? Go to A04, right? 88 is
A04.
coming. See,
Mm.
88
Yes.
already came with 501 already we have created. Go here, click doc info, FI document. We are just observing this GL accounts. BSS debited, okay, GBP ZOB credited. This is what the funda. See here, inventory raw material debited, okay, 3 lakh. And this is the GL account, the one which we changed right now. Raw material consumption, this is created, okay. This is how it is. If you want to see this separately, because account modifier you are not seeing here, right? In MyGo. So if you want to see this ZOB, go to OMWN separately. I'll make you understand because triple A is all about GL account understanding for also. So that it will be very very easy to do the configurations and this all the basic things will become strong. So go to OMWN, select OMWN, select the find out one movement type. Okay, go to position, movement type, select your find out one. Okay, and click detail button. I'll show you. See ZOB for GBB, right? In OBYC we have seen this, right? We double click this transition and we have given in ZOB 4441 valuation class. So BSX no account modifier, for GBB ZOB is a account modifier. This is what I have written here. Account modifier for GBB transaction key ZOB is the account modifier. You can see, right? For GBB ZOB account modifier, and for BSX no account modifier. So for BSX no account modifier. Okay, understand? Yeah,
Yeah, sir, got it.
yeah. If you thought PO, then price please from material price. That is what the funda. Another example. So separate examples. The more you do, the more you will understand. Triple A configuration. Enter GR with 561 moment type. What is 561? Entry of stock balance. 561 will now do it. Okay. 561 moment type with MIGO also we can do, or with MB1C also I can bring it. Let me do with MB1C. Receipt per initial entry of stock balance into unrestricted use. Initial entry of stock balance, okay, 561. So for the plant 2000 I'm taking. The material, let it be the material which I have created just now. Okay, let give 100. Quantity here. Store location also you can give. You need to give. Okay. So you got again account determination for entry. Okay, GBP 4444 BSA now. Why this BSA is coming? So this is what, if you go to OB YC, BSA will be there already. I think it is open, right? Okay, I closed that. So if you go to OMWN, let me show you why this BSA is coming. OMWN, take the moment type 561. Okay, so you'll understand the whole funda. See, here it is. BSA, account modifier, right? For GBB, BSA, 561 moment type. See here, this error we are getting. So go to OBYC again, do this. Okay, what error you got? Let me close this. Yeah. So now what we do, we need to resolve this. You note down this Z. Account determination for entry INT GBB 4444, that is account modification, and BSA 4441. Okay, the 4441 is the valuation class which we configured in our first class of AAA. You can see in my YouTube channel. Okay, so what I'm doing, I am going to OBYC again. Okay, OBYC is purely FICO configuration, but we should know what is happening in the background, why this is coming. All we should know this, right? So here we need to select the general modification BSA already. Here it is, right? BSA is there. So select this. Okay, copy. Right? What is this? Valuation class 4441, right? Zaid.
Yeah, sir.
Let it be the same GL account. Click enter and save it. That's it. Now again you go back completely. Go to MB1C again. Take 561 moment type. Initial entry of stock balance, that is initial entry of stock balance. Take here 100. Store location 0001. Click enter. So again you got this error GBB 4444.
We haven't take the valuation
Yeah,
double
yeah,
check.
that's what. Yeah, I'm coming that only. So again, yeah, this one, right? Copy. Take 4444. That's it. Save it. It came here. Mm, okay, save it. Yeah. MB1C 561. Take the material number, quantity, storage location, enter and save it. Now you won't get that error. Okay. Yeah. Now already 89 is posted. You can see this in accounting entries in MIGO. So A04 already 89 is coming here showing. here doc info, click a file document, click accounting document here. So you got this 3 lakh and 9999 Great Britain pound. Okay, this is what 561. So GR into material price. See transaction just now we have seen. There is no account modifier for this BSX. How to see this? Yeah, for BSH there is no account modifier, but for GBB, BSA is the account modifier. I have given for GBB, BSA is the account modifier. Okay, chart of account, valuation class. This 39999 is the GL account. Already we have seen this 39999. Okay, this is the GL account. You understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah. So there's so many examples I've given. If you follow all examples, if you do, then you'll understand more regarding AAA. So this is what it is. OBYC. We have seen this all. Okay. So you do this as homework. Enter goose issue to cost center. MIGO with 201 moment type. So if you do with 201, you can see the transaction key. This all in OBYC you can see, and also like moment type OMWN. Select the moment type 201. What will happen? You'll understand. Okay. And valuation class 4441. You'll understand this. Okay. So what you will do? Push issue to cost center means go to MIGO, select the moment type 201. Okay. One example I'll show you now. Goose issue to cost center 201 anyhow. 201 is showing here. Material I'll take that same 1, 2, 5, 6, 1, 1, right? Zaid? So
Yes.
quantity I'm issuing 10. Okay. I'm issuing 10 item. Okay. Save it. Now you see. Okay. Cost center. You need to give the cost center also. Cost center I'm giving 1000. Save it. The goose issue to cost center. And the plant in way tab, you need to give the plant also. Way tab, plant 2000. Store location also I'm giving 0001. Okay, save it. Yeah, so we got this account determination for entry GBP 444 VBR it is, right? So VBR is there. Why VBR is coming? Because goes issue to cost center. 201 moment type. Understand? If you go to OMWN again, okay, I'm taking you to this is what OMWN 201, right? Select the moment type 201. Excuse me. Go to 201 is always goes issue to cost center. 201 P is pipeline. Yeah. So here see KON account modifier pipe. Okay. And BSX nothing as such. GBB account modifier VBR. Okay. GBB account modifier VBR. Okay. and this will also come QN if it is consignment. But in our case, it is not consignment; it is normal one. So when we don't select this pipe, select this one. Okay, yeah. But anyhow, there is no consignment at all. And GBB, this is important. Account modification VBR. So we got the error now. What is that error? Note down this error. Account determination for entry INT GBB 4444 VBR 4441. Okay. Same. I have shown you. Fatafat go here. GBB. GBB, right? Right? GBB, yeah? Error? Yeah. GBB. So double click this. GBB. What is that? VBR, right? Huh? VBR, huh? You got VBR, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Hey
VBR.
यार तुम चुपचाप है. हाँ VBR 201 moment time. ये 201 ना for GBB VBR, right? Hmm. So go to VBR here, copy Q here 4444 and change this liquid valuation class 4441. That's it. Now you'll understand clearly, like what we need to give to FICO guys, and now what FICO will do the configuration. Because as I told you, this is the integration between MM and FICO. MM means we will provide them valuation class, and FICO they will know this all valuation modification. This all they will do it. Okay, excuse me. Yeah. So again, uh, good issue. I'm going here. Check. I have resolved that issue. I got version 0. Yeah. How to do this? Already I've shown you, Zaid. Version 0 not defined for fiscal year 2026. What you will do?
No, we go
What is the
in
T code?
the SE16
Okay. Controlling area 1000. Europe. See, this is OKEVT code. OKEV. Okay. So select version 0. Settings for each fiscal year. Excuse me. New entries. Fiscal year 2026. Select exchange rate 001. Current exchange rate. Save it. Okay. Now again I'm going there. Goose issue to call center. See one scenario. You see how many errors are getting. So the speciality of SAP consultant is don't worry. You need to resolve it. Either take help from Google or take help from your friend. It's open. Okay. Now again I'm trying to click check button. If everything is okay, it will show okay. Yeah, now clearing company code differ from company code 2000 or plan 2000. Anyhow, this is warning message. Leave it. Check. Okay, no issue. Post. Posting period not open. Already we solved. What happened? Posting period 7 2026 is not open. Oh, okay. So MMPV, just we can go to MMPV now. Take company code 2000 01 dot 07 dot 2026. Posting period not open, it is saying. So already we configured, right? In OB52, we have done the configuration part for all 2000, right? Posting period. See, FI error purely. Excuse me. Again, it is taking to this area only, OB52. So already we configured 26, 26, 26. Yeah, already we configured. Why it is showing posting period of fiscal year is not open for posting of the variant of posting period 1000. Hey, this is 1000 here. Okay, so I think we have done the mistake here. Let me show you what I have done. Yeah, so here account assignment, you need to select cost center at 2000. Does not exist on 9/7 2026. Okay, let me change to that part also. So go to OB 52 for 1000 till this. I'm changing this. Control Y, Control C, Control V. I'm changing this also. Okay, Control Y, Control C, Control V, Control V, and here 2026 also I'm copying. Control C, Control V. Okay, so now again I'm going to post for object a number in 49 does not exist. Okay, another error we got. So what to do, Zaid? बोलो क्या करना? वो एफ बी एन वन यार, एफ बी
Yes, sir.
एन वन राइट. कौन सा एरर आया? 2000 कंपनी कौन, क्या एरर है? 49.
14. Yeah, 14.
I think 49 already we have given na.
Yeah,
So
we had already given.
already given. Hey, you check what is that error? One second. Post 49. 1000. 1000 May. That is for 1000, not for 2000. Give here 1000. Okay. 49 is not there. See. Year 2026. From number to number take from drop down. Click enter and save it. Okay, post now. So goes issue to cost center with do not one moment type. Let us check the accounting entries, right? Okay, when it's posted, go to display. Okay, click enter. Doc info button, FI document, accounting document for 2000 and for 1000 also is there. So let us check 2000. So this is what the fund with 201 moment type. Okay, so 561 is over. Goes issue to cost center. This is 201 moment type. So this is what the observation. Okay, example 5. So inventory raw material debited, credited, and this is debited. C minus created, and GBB account modifier. You can see this in OMWNT code with 201 moment type. Okay, so do this as homework. But production order, this is not our area. If you so in this case, you need to create the production order. So see that if you really want to do, you just see what is the T code for creating the production order. But leave this with 261 moment type. You can see this is just the observation part. Okay, and this enter transfer posting 301 moment type. You do this as homework. Okay, transfer posting already intra company we have done transfer posting and see what are the GL accounts are affecting. Okay, so now example 7 you do, and transfer posting 3019 movement type material to material. Do the example 8 also, and example 9 create PO for 10 piece. In condition tab enter gross say 100 rupees, such as take this, freight also take this, and observe the net price. Freight amount is not added to net price due to statistical indicator in pricing procedure. I told you, if you select the checkbox inside the configuration, the 16 steps, right? So that will not add it to net price. Okay, and select FRC1 this all condition and do this and see the observation. All GL accounts observation part is there. Okay, so example none also you do it. If you have any doubt, let me know. So all examples only it is there. The more example you do, the more you will understand. Example 10 is create PO for direct consumption purpose, say with account assignment category cost center K, and also automatic determine general ledger account transaction GBP and account modifier VPR will be there. Okay, if you do also, it's very good. If you don't do also, no issue. But if you do, my My opinion is you need to do this if you really want to understand the whole concept of GL account. Okay, then you do this all example. Example 11 also I've given, example 12 pipeline, example 13, 14 physical inventory, so many examples. Okay, and example 15 also I've given, enter goose issue to scrap with 551 movement type always. You need to understand 551 movement type. Okay, so BSX inventory value decreases in inventory GL account, and GBB with account modifier VNG will be there, account modifier. Okay, let me take you to OMW and T code. I'll show you. Okay, I'll show you. OMWN 551. So account modifier will be VNG for GBB. Okay, VNG account modifier. GBB is there. Okay, transaction key GBB. In OBYC, check to which transaction key button debit and credit GL accounts are triggered. If you see, go to OBYC, you just double click this GBB and see VNG what the GL account is triggering. Let me show you by here itself right away. Go to OBYC. The transaction is GBP, right? Double click this and this VNG, right? VNG. Here it is, VNG. So valuation class will be ours. If it is not there, you need to select. Okay, 4441. Take 4441. So the GL account will be showing in GR 89001 is debit and this one is credit. This is what the observation. Okay, so the whole triple is over, but the only thing you need to practice. Whatever examples you practice more, you will understand more in the background what is happening. So check in OMW and check the movement type, and again check the GR also in MIGO A04 display. You'll understand that. Okay. So triple is also over. We'll complete the new topic. I'll tell you what is the new topic I'm going to start. Okay then. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. We'll continue tomorrow. Bye.